luck takes life away. So, look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Try to hold on to didn't even know we're wasted out just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What I meant to be will eventually be a memory. Every time I try so hard and get so far, in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard to try. Keep that in mind and design is right to remind myself how I've tried so hard. Despite of the way they're mocking me, acting like I was part of a property, remembering all the times you fought with me. I'm surprised